this was initially my inspiration for it. Not too many, but you see how the pattern on the side just
it comes with the stitching.
It flows well. So I just want something similar.
Versus a plain black.
All right, you see the like this 3 square pattern here. That's kind of what I was thinking about.
So okay, then what do you want to do extra on this?
I have to give you a picture. It's hard for me to explain. I don't want to do anything fancy. Like, I'm not even looking for the armrest. I just want. So say for example, I wouldn't want this on it. I want something like this. Something like a similar pattern like this with this bulking out to be attached. Instead of it just being flat like that, I want something similar to this so it sinks in well. Hey guys, welcome back to Mojo Grip. Mike here. Don't mind my mask. So, long and behold, the upholstery for the interior is here. As you can see, we're actually in a new hangar today, and my plane in all its glory is sitting over there. And we've been waiting on these. Actually, most of the kit and the parts for the plane had already arrived, and we've been waiting on this. Obviously, with COVID-19, shipments have been delayed, but they came in, and let me show you guys what we got. So I put some pictures up a while ago about the design for the seats. Now the cool thing about building experimental is you can do whatever you want. You can customize the look and finish of your interior, and for mine I went with black and some orange stitching. Actually, this interior, and I already opened one, so let me show you here. So this is what it's gonna look like, okay? And again, I'd already posted pictures of it before. This was inspired by a McLaren. I'm a big fan of the McLaren, and I wanted to do like more diamond stitchings all over, but I feel like it would be overkill. So I love just what they did, where it's just up here and down here and just nice pattern. Now, some people may feel differently about this middle orange stitch here, but I love it because it gives that sporty look. The TSI is a sporty airplane. If you fly it, you know what I'm talking about. So I don't want to feel like I'm flying a sports car to be exact, but I still wanted that sporty look, and that's why we have this middle stitching here. And I'll show you what it'll look like with the setup. Now, the only issue that we're having right now is with these side panels. So let me raise it up so you guys can see. So if you look at this panel here, you see it comes from the factory in this color. And what I'm trying to do, or what I like to do, is have more, I want everything to sync seamlessly. So this, we're either gonna replace it or just have this painted in black. And what I also like to do is have these this pattern design here, a little bit of that on this panel. So that's the only thing we're gonna correct. But once we're done with the construction of the main fuselage there, which is pretty much 99% done, we're gonna be spraying it down with the Corrosion X, and it's all hands on deck with these interior. You guys should be able to see it hopefully within the next month or so. You see just the finished look. So what we're doing right now, as you can see, the upholstery and the seats are here, and the normal, let me show you, the normal side patterns that comes from the factory looks something like this, and that's part of it right there. But if you can see, we did some really nice custom stuff with the seats itself, and so what I like to do is just have some nice matching patterns and designs to go with the seats instead of this. This is completely different color, so what we're looking to do is like paint this or have a different leather that's just black, and then we'll have some cool pattern. This is okay, but I want more of the pattern from the seats to match with this. That's what we're trying to do right now. We're playing design Tetris. So we're gonna set it in place, and then we'll see how we can sort it. put my mask back on. And you remember the vegan sling? They painted this. They had black on
Black,
this.
yeah, yeah. So I'm just having a look to see.
Beautiful. But yeah, guys, this is the interior. Came in this week. I'm super excited. You guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe with notification bell on. Stay tuned for this series. I'm gonna hopefully have an update for you within the next week or 2 weeks or so, and so you guys can see where we're at with the airplane build. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Mike, and I will catch you on the next video.